Ever feel like your office space just isn't keeping up with how you work? Imagine if your workspace could adapt just as quickly as your business does. Let's explore how FluidSpace creates a more flexible and dynamic workspace without the hassle of major renovations. FluidSpace is all about creating agile spaces that can be quickly adapted to fit your needs. Whether you're expanding your team, transitioning to hybrid work, or reconfiguring your office layout, FluidSpace has you covered. The idea is simple. Use furniture that is versatile and easy to move, allowing you to change the layout of your space without the hassle of permanent construction. And the best part? It's easy on the budget. With FluidSpace, there are no hidden construction costs or messy modifications. It's just simple modular solutions that adapt to your needs. Imagine the money saved on dilapidation fees when it's time to move. Your office evolves without breaking the bank. Plus, with the subscription model, you can turn large capital expenses into manageable monthly costs. Need to add more desks for a growing team? Done. FluidSpace lets you reconfigure your layout in a snap, no contractors required. It's all about responding to your business's changing needs in real time. How often do you find your workspace limiting your productivity? With FluidSpace, your office layout adapts to your team, not the other way around. FluidSpace isn't just flexible, it's also designed with sustainability in mind. It focuses on reducing your waste through the use of eco-friendly materials and durable designs, helping your business lower its environmental impact. By choosing FluidSpace, you're not only creating a dynamic office environment, but also supporting a greener planet. In today's hybrid working culture, FluidSpace really shines. It supports both in-office and remote teams by creating versatile spaces that cater to different working styles. Need a quiet area for virtual meetings or a collaborative space for brainstorming sessions? And FluidSpace has got you covered. It's all about giving your team the flexibility to work how and where they're most productive. If flexibility and sustainability are what your workspace needs, then take a closer look at the link below. We have helped numerous companies transform their office space. Yours could be next.